Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Welcome back. Let's solve this question 24, whereby you are given two functions, which is fx and also gx. Okay, now we were asked to solve the first question, or maybe I think I'm gonna use white color. The first question A, find f(g)(x). So this is a composite function. So what we need to do is put in your gx inside here, which is 2x plus 3 from here. Okay, and then you're gonna put this 2x plus 3 inside of this function f, which is 1 minus ln in bracket 3 minus in bracket of this green color, which is 2x plus 3. Therefore, let's solve this one by one. So 3 minus 2x minus 3. Therefore, the answer is ln 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore, inside here is just given to you 2x and close bracket. Now, this is your answer untuk f(g)(x). Okay. Question number 2 from question A. Sketch the graph. Sketch the graph of your answer here. So, it's not that hard. Let's sketch f(g)(x). So now, let's begin. What do you have here? Come on. Tell me, what do you have here? Is it vertical asymptote or horizontal asymptote? Bila kamu jumpa log, when you see a logarithmic function, what is your focus? Your focus is only one asymptote, iaitu vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote mestilah x. Okay, so dalam ni adalah negative 2x, kita equalkan dia dengan 0, therefore your x is still 0. So this is your horizontal asymptote. So x equal to 0 tu dekat mana function tu? Function tu sebenarnya dekat paksi y. Okay, I would love to make a dotted line over here so that you can see that there is a line here. Okay, saya nak bagi kamu nampak, and then kamu mesti label dekat sini. And then, ke mana shape tu pergi? Ke mana graph tu menghala? Menuju ke mana? Menuju ke kuadran yang keberapa? So, your job right now is to discover the sign. Okay, the sign here given to you that x adalah negative and your y is negative. Therefore, both negative kena give us at the third quadrant. So, dekat sini third quadrant, apabila kamu sudah memastikan dia adalah straight line ke bawah, asymptote dia adalah vertical asymptote. Jadi, dia menghala ke third quadrant, bermaksud dia begini daripada asymptote ini, dia menghala ke third quadrant. Ini yang dimaksudkan graph untuk ln negative x with negative ln di depan tu lah. Okay, so now you have understand that this is your asymptote. Therefore, your graph will be going to just from this asymptote. Okay, this is a asymptote, vertical asymptote. Saya nak bagi kamu nampak adalah dia menghampiri asymptote ni. Okay, menghampiri asymptote dan turun ke bawah. Begini. This is what I want. Tada! So this is the graph of f(g)(x) yang saya mahu. Dia menghala ke third quadrant. Okay, dan you kena label. The thing is, I haven't finished yet. I am not finished yet because I do not know what is my intercept. Ni, dia ada melalui, dia ada melintasi paksi x. So, apabila paksi x, kita ada nilai y. Jadi, nilai y kita tu adalah sebenarnya 0. Okay, so sekarang ni tugas kita adalah untuk mencari coordinate of X ini. Apakah dia? Yang kita dah tahu adalah Y coordinate dia kosong. So, apa yang mudah adalah kita menggunakan table dan carikan nilai X tu dengan adanya Y kita 0. So, our function is, I write down here first, and what we need to do right now is put in the value of 0 here into the function, and then kita nak cari nilai X adalah, cara nak carinya adalah begini. We have to compute it, and the way to get rid of this ln is by exponent it both sides, and then proceed. You're gonna get e to the power of 1 equals to negative 2x. Therefore, your x is just negative 1 over 2 e. So this is our value. Therefore, the value here is just negative e over 2. Okay, barulah lengkap bila dah ada intercept kita. Okay, now question B. So what we have right here is ln 1 minus ln 3 minus x. So right now kita diminta untuk mencari f inverse. So recall balik, kita kena let dulu. Letkan fx ini menjadi y. Okay. After that, pada hujungnya kita akan nampak satu perubahan, iaitu kita kena faham konsep ini. Okay, you kena faham konsep ini. This is very, very important. Okay, macam mana dia boleh jadi begini? Adalah disebabkan having a f inverse both sides. Sebab apabila f inverse bertemu f, dia akan menjadi x sahaja. Sebab itulah f inverse ni ada di belah kiri. Okay, so now let's solve it. After you have let it, this thing will becoming y. So salin balik, and then sekarang ni you diminta untuk menjadikan x sebagai subject. Therefore it gonna be ln 3 minus x equals to 1 minus y. Therefore, disebabkan you nak 3 minus x sahaja, you nak hilangkan ln. On the right hand side here, it gonna have exponent. Sebab apa? Sebab konsepnya adalah kita exponentkan both sides. So this one has become the power instead lah. Okay, so now you nak jadikan x sebagai subject. Therefore, you gonna have 3 minus e to the power of 1 minus y. But the thing is, we haven't finished. We need to change your x here to becoming f inverse of y, which is like this. And then as the conclusion adalah kita mesti buat dia dalam bentuk inverse. Okay, f inverse of x. This is the last conclusion because you want to change your y here and here to becoming x over there. Therefore, your final answer is actually f inverse of x equals to 3 minus e 1 minus x. This is your answer. Okay. Okay. Sekarang ni jom kita cari the domain and the range untuk f inverse. Okay. Domain and the range untuk f inverse. So this is the thing that we want. Okay, so kalau dia dah minta f inverse, so bermaksudnya kita terus je lah lukis. Kita lukis sahaja f inverse yang berada di sini. Okay, now let's draw it. You know what? I think I love exponential graph more than logarithm. I do not know it. I think I love it so much. Okay, the thing is, focus. What's your asymptote? What's your focus here? Is it horizontal or vertical untuk exponent? Okay, exponent hanyalah mempunyai horizontal asymptote iaitu y equals to 3 there. So 3 is actually here, my dear. Okay. So this is your function y equals to 3. And this is, what do you call it? Horizontal asymptote. Okay. So your job right now is to look at the sign. The signs, the positive or the negative sign at here. Tengok pada situ je. Negative x, oh dia dekat bahagian belah kiri, negative x area. Okay. And then this is what? This is negative y, so dia dekat bahagian bawah negative y. Therefore, dia akan berada di kuadran yang keberapa? Dia berada di kuadran yang ketiga. It's at the third quadrant. Therefore, from this thing, from this asymptote, dia akan menghala ke third quadrant, dan tolonglah label iaitu f inverse of x. Okay, so right now that is our graph. So kalau dia tak minta sketch secara detail, you tak perlu nak cari intercept dia, okay? Sebab dia tak ada markah untuk sketching dekat sini. So what you can do is just focus at your domain dan juga range untuk function f inverse ini. So domain dia adalah daripada kiri hujung ke kanan hujung. So you're gonna get negative infinity to positive infinity, and the domain adalah, and the range adalah daripada paling bawah iaitu negative infinity, dan dia akan stop until it reaches before it reach the asymptote iaitu 3. Adakah dia included or non-included? It is going to be open bracket sebab tidak termasuk. Graf tidak akan pernah menyentuh, never touches the dotted line. Never touches the dotted line means the asymptote. Itulah maksud dia.